Hi everyone! Today let's make this simple and easy chicken curry, perfect for a rushed day. Hello, I'm Grace and welcome to my kitchen. It's chicken curry, so obviously we need chicken. Here I have 300 grams of chicken. Just marinate the chicken the previous day with 1/4 cup of curd, half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric and some salt to taste. Mix it well and refrigerate it overnight. Don't worry, we'll be adding the rest of the spice powders while cooking. Now let's turn to the stove. Heat some oil in a pan and once it's hot, add the whole masalas which I have mentioned on the screen. Let them sizzle and release their lovely aroma. That's the flavor base for our curry. Now follow me as I cook the rest. Friends, if you like my videos, leave a comment and give a thumbs up. That would really make me happy. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Thank you for watching. Friends, once again, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video and until then, happy cooking from my kitchen to yours.